rating the food we ordered at Kampong Taste sa Parkal Mall, Asian City. So habang nag-iikot kami sa Parkal Mall, nakita namin itong Kampong Taste. And sabi namin, why don't we give it a try? Nung nakita namin yung menu, na-excite kagad kami. Kasi andito yung mga favorite dishes namin na nasi lemak at laksa. At ang ganda rin ng interiors ng restaurant. Very Singaporean feels. So unang dumating is yung nasi lemak curry chicken. Grabe yung curry. Rich and creamy pero hindi nakakaumay. Super tender pa yung chicken. Ang rating ko dito, 4.5 out of 5. Next naman is my favorite laksa. Sobrang comforting nito, parang hug in a bowl. Perfect yung spice level, may kick, pero hindi overpowering. Ang rating ko dito, 5 out of 5. And of course, we also had their kaya toast. Sweet and buttery, perfect pang partner sa coffee. Ang rating ko dito, 5 out of 5. For our drinks, we had herbal tea. Very refreshing, parang reset after all the flavor. Overall, sobrang nag-enjoy kami dito sa Kampong Taste. Sulit, satisfying, and truly authentic vibes. Perfect ito for food trips, family dinners, or kapag gusto mo lang mag-iba ng cravings. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Puntahan nyo na sila sa Parkal Mall, Asiana City, and I'm sure mag-e-enjoy din kayo dito.